Hello friends, welcome to LearnTech. Today I am going to show you how to bypass Microsoft account logging after you install Windows 11. Type here your device name as you desire. You have to select with your name. You can use different name also. This Windows is appear after Windows installing fast restart. Type your device name, then click next. After clicking next, Windows will be reboot once again. After reboot completed, I am showing you how to bypass Microsoft account logging. Choose here this computer is personal use or this is using for work or school. Just select and click next. You have to click on sign in. I am showing you on virtual VMware because of higher quality recording. You can see this is asking for Microsoft user ID, email, phone or Skype ID. You can't bypass this option, but I am here to show you how to bypass this window. Just press Shift plus F10 on this window. Shift F10, then enter. After clicking Shift F10, the command prompt will be open. After open command prompt, you should type OOBE, then front slash, then bypass NRO, BYPASS NRO. Just then press enter. After clicking enter, window will be reboot. In this situation, you should disconnect your network cable. I am using VMware virtual Windows, that's why I am disconnecting here network network cable disconnecting manually. On real situation, you should disconnect network cable. After rebooting, you have to select which region. I am selecting India, then click next. Then you have to select your keyboard language, then click yes. Then you have to click skip, and you can add keyboard layout also. Then you will find it I don't have internet, this option. On previous window, this option is not coming automatically. After clicking I don't have internet, then continue with limited setup. Then you have to put your username in this option. Then click next. Then you have to put your password. Then confirm password. Then you have to select security question. This is asking for you have not registered Microsoft. You have to select 3 questions randomly and you have to give answer. After giving answer, you have to click next. This is privacy settings. You have to choose on or off, or you can stay default. Then click accept. You can see my MS account locking is bypassed already. This is gonna Windows is ready for you. If you like my video, then like this video, or you can stay with subscription. Just click on subscribe to get more video like this. Thank you so much. You can see Windows is installed completely and Microsoft account logging is bypassed already. Thank you so much.